Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you are all doing really well. Today I want to share with you my first guest design team project for Marchena Design. Nadezhda invited me to be a guest designer for the month of September and I was really excited. I love this kit. The colors are so beautiful and it's totally up my alley. I will post the link to the unboxing video of this September inspirational kit in the description box below, as well as the link to Nadezhda's YouTube channel and her Instagram account. And if you want to purchase one of these beautiful kits yourself, you can send her a DM. I really enjoyed creating with this kit and I decided to make an A5 journal, about an A5 journal. It measures 5.5 inches by 8 inches tall, and there are only a few items that I used from my stash, but everything else is from the beautiful kit. So let me show you this journal. I absolutely love these papers. I didn't want to cover them up too much, so the only thing that I did is I fussy cut some of the pieces and adhered them here along the bottom. And for the back side I used this beautiful sheet, or the other side of the sheet I should say. This is the right side and on the front is the left side of the same sheet. I just used this beautiful lace to keep the journal closed. It's stretchy, so it's perfect if my journal will be expanding. So I decided to use this beautiful lace as a closure, and I just adhered one of these rosebuds from the kit as well. I also have some book corners. These are from my own stash. I purchased them a while ago on AliExpress. And I have some dangles here as bookmarks. Let me remove the closure so I can show you the side a little bit better as well. I created some tabs, and this fiber is also from my stash, and I thought it matched the paper line really nicely. But everything else is from Nadezhda's kit, and this is the fiber she sent me in a beautiful pink color. So I used some dangles and some pins and some beautiful laces to create this dangle. And here I have a tassel. Ooh, let me grab it. I'm sorry. I have a tassel which was also included in the kit, as well as this pin. So let me open this one up, and show you the inside. Here on the inside of the cover I used one of the die cuts from the collection. I fussy cut them all, that's how I started. And this beautiful lace was also included in the kit. It's pretty wide. Let me measure how wide it is. It's 4.25 inches wide, and behind the lace I do have some vellum to make this pocket more sturdy. And inside I have this beautiful tag with another image from the paper collection and some laces and trims from this kit as well. And on the back side I left it blank, so there's room for journaling. And I used coffee dyed and tea dyed or tea stained papers. This one is coffee dyed. I used my vintage photo and a stencil from Tim Holtz. I really did a lot of stenciling in this journal and I enjoyed it very much. Here is a journaling card from the collection, and this pumpkin is a fussy cut element from the collection as well, and I created it into a tuck spot. Here's the next page. I did some more stenciling, and here's another beautiful journaling card from the collection and a mini paper clip by Tim Holtz. This sticker was also included in the kit. This is some old music paper from my own stash, and Like I mentioned, I did a lot of fussy cutting. I really enjoy doing that. It relaxes me, and it's really nice to use all these images in your journal. Oops. Here's another journaling card from the collection. And this is my favorite sheet. Along this page I do have some layers of lace, both from the kit as well. This is like a really soft peach colored lace, and this one is cream colored. Here I have an applique, and I created a flower on top of it, and then another applique and a little rolled rose from the kit as well. Here I did some more stenciling, and these stamps were also included in the kit. And this is, it's like a piece of a placemat. It's a plastic placemat, and I cut it into pieces, and I used one piece as a page corner. Some more stenciling. This is another piece of that placemat that she included in the kit, and I used it as a tuck spot. I created this tag, and this was some trim that she used to keep the laces together. I'm sorry. And I just stained it with some walnut stain ink. And these are the 6x6 pages that she included in the kit. I cut them in half to have a 3-inch wide tag. And because it's double-sided, nothing has to be done on the back side, I think. Some more stenciling. This is a fussy cut element from the paper collection. And here I use one of the journaling cards to create a tuck spot. I have some more beautiful lace from the kit, and I created this tab, and I adhered an eyelet and created this dangle. This was also included in the kit. I really loved working with these clasps, so I really need to order some myself as well. And inside this pocket is another tag with some beautiful lace on top. Here's the next page. I used some more beautiful lace and a die cut from the paper collection. I did some more stenciling. Here's another fussy cut image from the paper collection. I did some stamping so I can use this to write my title. I created this envelope and I adhered it with this tiny clothespin or peg that she included in the kit. This is a resin piece, and I adhered it with my glossy accents to alter this peg. And this is an envelope that I altered. I did some inking. For all the inks I used my walnut stain distress ink. I did some stenciling and some fussy cutting. I also decorated the backside. And you can open this one up. There's nothing inside yet because I wanted to leave some room for more journaling or adding more papers to this journal. So I aged this tape myself. I do have a video on how to create some vintage tape, and I will post that in the description box below as well. I used some alcohol markers because there was a sticky edge here and I wanted to cover it up in a nice way. So let me put this one back later. On the back side I had this journaling card clipped on with the peg, and these are all double-sided with beautiful frames on the back side. I did some stamping, some more stenciling, And all these coffee dye papers I already had in my stash. Here I used a fussy cut image as a tuck spot. I just adhered it to the bottom of the page, and inside is another beautiful tag. This is the next page with another fussy cut image and 2 layers of the laces and trims that Nadezhda included in the kit. Here is the center of the journal, and I used some wax cord to bind it. Let me take these back so I can show them to you. How I created my bookmarks. I just left some long threads and I adhered these dangles, these filigree pieces, and you can use them as bookmarks. And then I have some more of the stretchy beautiful lace, and I created a belly band. And there's a beautiful journaling card and some tea stain paper for some journaling. I didn't do anything to this page because I absolutely love this sheet from the collection. And here I have another pin with a tassel. It's acting up a little bit right now, but let me put it the right way. And some of the really nice yarn. I created another pocket with the beautiful white peachy colored lace, and I just have an image from the paper collection and another tag. And on top I used this beautiful lace that was included in the kit as well. Oops, I'm sorry. Some more images and stenciling, some stamping, and here I created a tuck spot. I just teared a piece of the paper. This beautiful applique is also from the kit, as well as this resin piece. I used my brown alcohol marker to alter it a little bit, to age it. And inside there's a journaling card and another tag with some yarn from my own stash. Some music paper from my stash, some coffee dyed craft paper with some stenciling, some more beautiful laces from the kit, and fussy cut elements from the paper collection. I used this as a tuck spot. I just adhered it right here along the bottom with some staples. And another beautiful journaling card from the collection. Some more fussy cutting and stenciling. I had so much fun creating this journal. And I have another Tim Holtz tiny paper clip with a tag and some more stenciling. Let me show you the tag up close. Another fussy cut image. I adhered it on this tab. I wanted to decorate this journal a little bit, but not too much, so I still have some room to decorate it some more. Here is some more beautiful lace from the kit. Let me show you. This is a fussy cut pumpkin from the collection, and I used it to create a tuck spot. And underneath is this beautiful journaling card. Some more stenciling. And the last page with another pocket created with that beautiful white peachy colored lace. Another fussy cut element from the collection, and another tag with some laces and trims and some yarn from the kit. So yeah, this was my first guest design team project for the month of September. I'm already working on my next project, and I hope you will stay tuned to watch that video as well. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.